Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of Wonder Couple. In today's video, we will travel in different places of Kolkata and see its historical monuments and architecture that are well known from the past. And at the end, don't forget to subscribe our channel Wonder Couple and share our video, and do like our video if you like it. Till then, stay tuned. So we are now at the famous Mallick Ghat flower market. It is a daily market for all the hawkers. So you can see it is surrounded with flowers and flowers and flowers. And the market starts from 4 a.m. and so let's have a tour of the market. Hope you guys enjoyed. So guys, as you can see, we are in front of the famous Howrah station at the back, and the Howrah bridge is also here. We are by the Ganges river, and all you can see, they all are here for the morning holy bath. And at the back you can see some kustis also going around. So I will be sharing the video of the kusti as well. Guys, we're in front of the St. Paul's Cathedral. It is the largest cathedral in Kolkata. It is quite known for its Gothic architecture. First Episcopal Church of Asia. It was the first church set up by the British in the overseas territory, and it was set up in the year 1847. And for more details, come let's have a tour.
Here we at New Market, the most loved street shopping destination among Kolkata people, and you will get actually anything and everything here. at very low price. So and it is also one of the oldest market in Kolkata. So just check it out.
Right now we're in the middle of the Kolkata Maidan or the Brigade Ground. It is surrounded by St. Paul's Cathedral, Chourangi and the Eden Garden. Behind me is the tallest building of Kolkata. Currently it is under construction. So guys, hope you liked our video of Kolkata tour and don't forget to subscribe for the couple. Till then, stay tuned.